I've never used a thicker face cream than this. I was actually pretty shocked by it. I was sent this one by Dr. BABOR, and it is the collagen peptide. It looks like a normal face cream. You can tell it's very, very thick, but watch what it does when it goes on. So you can see just how thick it is. Okay, and then as I rub it in, a lot of times with face creams, and I have done a lot of reviews on skincare. That is my specialty. It kind of absorbs immediately. It's very fast. It's very smooth. This one, you really have to blend it in. If I were to stop right there, you'd see a nice white cast all over my face. In fact, if you had told me, hey, by the way, there's like a sticky glue agent in here, I would probably believe you, because that's almost what it feels like skin cream with like Elmer's glue, but it's not. And if anything, it actually boosts my confidence in this product because it makes me think, okay, wow, there is a science in here that is so thick and so amazing that it's actually gonna work. And I'm all about things that work. This has a really high percentage of the peptide plant lipid complex. It's 13%. That is high. It's made in Germany, which I am a big fan of European skincare. They use really good ingredients. It's clinical grade. And as you can see, it is fully absorbed. So it's not like you have to sit there and rub your face for a long time. You just want to make sure it really goes on, and it smells really nice. I absolutely love the smell. It feels luxurious. My skin has an immediate glow to it, which I'm all about. And it's extra, extra hydrating. I'm gonna use a little bit here on my neck as well. So we'll put it down here, firming everything. It's got the collagen in it. Collagen is so important for anti-aging. I'll do the center part. Okay, and then you let it absorb, and that is it. I did put on a serum before I put this on that is recommended, and I do think that helps it glide on a little better. You want to use it morning and night, or at least one time a day, I would say, and after you've cleansed your skin. So this is incredible. I just started using it, and I'm really excited to see what happens after consistent use.